I'm interested to learn about the valves used for handling abrasive dry solids. It's my understanding that the end user can choose between gate valves and butterfly valves. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah, that's correct.
So what would you say are the advantages then of the gate valve design?
The advantage of the gate valve is that the gate valve can be used as a metering valve.
And what are the advantages of the butterfly valve?
The advantage of the butterfly valve is it's more a small built-in, so it's a very small type of valve, and it's totally closed, so you don't have problems with closing the valve.
Now I understand with the butterfly valve it's possible to have an air pressure sealing option. What is that and how does it work?
An air pressure sealing is a sealing that will be blown up as soon as the valve is totally closed in a horizontal position. That means that when the valve is open, the air pressure sealing is in a kind of vacuum, and there is no wear out from the disc to the sealing element, and the wear will be very low instead of a standard sealing element.
Now another option I want to ask you about is something you're calling the fluidized disc. It's something I've never heard of before. I understand it's used to somehow free up solids which have become compacted above the disc. But how does this work exactly?
With the disc we inject air into the product column of the solids that the flowability will increase.
Now finally, I've just picked up one of your sample valves and I was quite surprised to see how light it was. I think it's made of aluminium. Are you doing this to keep the price down?
No, nothing of that. In the bulk solids the pressures are much more lower than in liquids. It's an aluminium alloy. It's also seawater resistant. The material is light, so it can be easily maintained or installed by one man, depending on the diameter.